everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna cook something very healthy, okay? It's ginger, chicken ginger. Ginger is always good for your body for many years, for thousands of the years. But today I have opportunity to introduce you to my favorite ingredient, okay? And let's see what we have here, okay? We have sea salt, black pepper, sugar, olive oil, fish salt, and oyster salt. And I'm gonna use the whole chicken today, and I'm gonna cut, just slide the bone out. I will show you how. And what I have a ginger here, and I will slide in julienne like that. And I don't wanna do too small. I'll do perfect size like that. And I also use garlic, okay? Garlic also good for you too. Okay, now we got all the ingredients together. Let's start cook with me, okay? Okay, meanwhile, let's go ahead and prepare the ingredient, okay? Like go ahead, peel the garlic and ginger, okay? And I will show you how to slide the chicken too, okay? Let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead drink ginger water. So what I have here, lime and mint, okay? So ginger is really good for your body. Even like I'm cooking, I use ginger too. My daily drinking, I do same thing, okay? Let's go ahead start, okay? And see how I slide all the ginger and garlic. I'm ready for this. And then what I have, the chicken here, I use three different parts of the chicken. So I divide it out, okay? So I'm gonna put the bone one cook first, and then the thigh, from the thigh and leg, that meat is a little tough, then I put that last, okay? Make sure this one cook, and this one and that one, okay? So, but optional, you guys can use just chicken breast or just chicken thigh, however you like, but I like everything, so I just put mix together, okay? Okay, let's get started. finished, okay? Guys, the end of it, if you like a lot of juice, you can stop, okay? But I like mine a little bit, like, you know, a little bit of juice because it more flavor, okay? Oh, home, smells so good. Look at that. Finish, turn off the heat, ready to eat.แล้วจะมาไปกินข้าวนิดหนึ่งนะหอมเอ๊ะมากินข้าวน้ำกัน Okay, guys, come on, eat with me. And then, you know, ginger chicken is very easy to cook, okay, and it's pretty cheap too. And I use organic chicken, okay. It's very important to use the organic, okay, because this is healthy dish, okay. So, how's everyone? You guys stay home? Everything okay? Do you follow my YouTube and cook? See, I don't let my time fly. I just cook, okay. But if you don't feel like cooking, a lot of restaurants still open for order. You guys can order to go too, okay? Keep our business going, guys. But I know how to cook, so I have to eat my own food for right now. Okay? นี่หอมๆได้กินกับซื่นใจแล้วนะยังไม่ได้กินซ้ำชอบไปกินครับข้าวเจ้ามันจะเข้ากัน you know like just man rice is sweetหอมแซ่บว่ามันเป็นน้ำไข่หิวข้าวได้แล้วสปิดนี่ต้องพูดอีก Thanks to my mom and my dad, they're a good cook, so they cook this for me all the time when I was a child. Come on. So you guys see the ginger, how I slice it? It look pretty big, you know, when I'm not cooked. Look kind of like French fry. But now this one มันหดเข่าน้อยๆแซ่บๆนะครับของใครอ่ะอันนี้กินเจอวอเตอร์เอากิน My mom she called me, just don't drink too much cold water, just drink hot water. I love cold water, so I found my way to make it healthy. So I do this, and I will tell my mom. I said, I do have a healthy water, mom. ต้มน้ำขิงกินก็ดีได้ Okay. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Okay. And take care of your health. That's the most important thing. Okay. And I see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe my channel. And I see you next time. Okay. ลาก่อน Bye. ลาก่อนเด้อ